Making some corn, very late supper, with some country fried steak and gravy. This is some corn from my cousins, the Witterholts, from their farm, the Witterholt Family Farm, up in Black Creek. Bicolor Sweet Corn. Ooh, it looks good. And then this is some country fried steak. We got the gravy right there. Got the sweet corn right here. Oh, this smells really good. Thank you, Pete and Sue Witterholt and the Witterholt family and the Witterholt Family Farm, as well as Country Harvest Farm Market, which is their store on their farm. And then what I'm doing is I'm making some baby red mashed potatoes and some sour cream and chive mashed potatoes. But what I did was I mix them together because it creates a really good flavor. And I'm going to put some onions in there that we got from the Witterholt Family Farm. Which, by the way, the onions are really, really good. I had them on liver sausage sandwiches earlier yesterday. And then what I do is I just add a little bit of sour cream in there. And then I add a little bit of butter in there. And a little bit of paprika in there. And then I add some onion in there, fresh onion from the Witterholt Family Farm. And there's the onion. I also throw in a secret ingredient in there, as well as some green chives and some parsley. And then I mix this all together. And there you go. There's the potatoes. So this is it so far with the Witterholt Family Farm corn, country fried steak that we made with gravy, and the potatoes with some of the onions from the Witterholt Family Farm.
All I ate was 2 liver sausage.
At about 3 o'clock in the morning.
Wow.
And then here's my plate.